Hi there, today we're exploring the Ready Hot 41RH200F560BN Instant Hot Water Dispenser System with a sleek brushed nickel faucet and a 2.5-quart stainless steel tank. This powerful 1300-watt unit delivers over 60 cups of near-boiling water every hour, perfect for tea, coffee, or quick cooking. You can easily adjust the temperature manually between 140 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your needs. Installation is simple, requiring just a 1/3/8-inch hole for the faucet and space under the sink for the tank. The system features automated tank protection that shuts off when the water reaches your set temperature and includes a thermal fuse to prevent burnout. Whether at home, office, or restaurant, it offers instant hot water on demand for a variety of uses. Say goodbye to waiting and enjoy hot water instantly with this efficient and durable dispenser. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.